Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial of TechQuest. I'm back with a brand new video on how you can register or enroll into an online banking account of Deutsche Bank. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. In order to register into an online banking account of Deutsche, first thing what you'll need to do is open up your web browser, and then on the search box you'll need to type in deutsche-bank.de, and I'll also make sure to leave the link on the description box below. As you type in the link, you'll be directed to the official site, and this is what the interface is going to look like. Since the Deutsche Bank is a German bank, right over here you'll not be able to find the English word. So what you can do is you need to translate it. So right on top you'll have an option as Google Translator. Right in between you'll have an option as Digital Bank, which will be in the top right corner. So you need to click on it. As you click on it, a pop-up appears, and in the left hand side corner you'll be able to see a list of options. So under online banking you'll be able to see an option as online banking activation. Click on it. In case if you're not a customer of Deutsche Bank, then you'll not be able to register or enroll into an online banking. So in order to register, first of all you need to have a bank account. Once you're on this page, first thing you need to do is select your account type. And as you select your account type, you need to click on continue, which will be right at the bottom. As soon as you provide your contact information, a verification code will be sent in order to verify your account. So you need to type in the verification, or you need to click on the verification link, and you have verified your account. Once you're done verifying your account, you need to create a login credential. So for that you need to create user ID and a password. Once you're done creating your user ID and password, after that, in order to confirm, you need to double check all of the information provided, and if you're sure about it, click on continue, and then you've successfully enrolled or registered into an online banking account of Deutsche. And that is how you can register or enroll into an online banking account of Deutsche. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.